I'm Anil Kumar, and in this example, we will learn how to use substitution to find limits. The question is to evaluate limit as x approaches 1 for x minus 1 divided by cube root of x plus 7 minus 2. Now, if I substitute 1, what happens? Let's check. If I sub x equals to 1, I get 1 minus 1 over cube root of 1 plus 7 minus 2, which is 2, right? 2 minus 2 is 0, so we get 0 over 0. Since we get 0 over 0, we understand that there is a common factor in numerator and denominator. X minus 1 is a common factor in both. So we could now factor the denominator, we could rationalize it. Those are the techniques which we could use, but we can also use substitution. So here, let us see how to use substitution to calculate this limit, right? Okay. So what should I substitute? The denominator, we have a cube root thing, right? So if I substitute, let us say u cube equals to x plus 7. In that case, what happens? In that case, cube root of x plus 7 will be equals to u. Perfect. So I have u minus 2 in the denominator. Now, in this substitution, I can isolate x also because that's in the numerator. So I could also write this as, from here, let me rearrange. So I could write x as equals to u cube minus 7. So x could be replaced by u cube minus 7. Whenever you do substitution, you have to also take care of the limit. So what happens when x approaches 1? If x approaches 1, then u cube will approach, replacing this by 1, that 1 plus 7. That means u cube will approach 8, or u will approach cube root of 8. That is to say that u will approach 2, right? So in steps, I've shown you what u is going to approach, right? Now with this kind of substitution, we can rewrite the given question as limit x approaches 1 over x minus 1 cube root of x plus 7 minus 2 as equal to limit. Now x approaches 1, u approaches 2. So u approaches 2. I'm replacing x by, so let's see what we've done. We've done this, right? Now I have to replace x by, what is x equals to? X is equals to u cube minus 7. So let me write this as u cube minus 7. We have already minus 1 here. And denominator, we substituted u cube as x plus 7, right? So this becomes cube root becomes u. So we have u minus 2 in the denominator. Perfect. Now, we could write this as limit u approaches 2. The numerator here is u cube minus 8 and the denominator is u minus 2. We can factor the numerator now. So we have limit u approaches 2. So this is, we can apply the formula a cube minus b cube. It is 2 cube, right? So let me write down the formula here. A cube minus b cube is a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, right? So we'll apply this formula here. Treat this as limit u approaches 2 u cube minus 2 cube, right? So b is 2 for us, u minus 2. So I can write the numerator using this formula as u minus 2 times u square plus 2u plus 2 square, which is 4, divided by u minus 2. And now u minus 2 cancel. So what we get here is limit u approaches 2 for u square plus 2u plus 4. Perfect. So if I substitute 2 here, then I get 2 square plus 2 times 2 plus 4, which is equals to 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. So this limit is equal to 12. I hope these steps are absolutely clear. If you like it, you can put a like there. If you have comments, feel free to write comments and post any questions. Thank you and all the best.